Hi, our program is about the Pac Man game to use the gestures to playing the Pac Man game. And first, we use the bash script to open the game. And there are three windows about the game. Uh, the game it has three different levels. The first one is the learning level. In the learning level, there is no ghosts, and the player can be familiar with the game to be familiar with how to play in the game. And there are three windows shown on the screen. The first one is the game screen, and the second is the camera. In the camera, we can show our gestures. And the third window shows the computation result of the gestures. Through playing different gestures, the player can control the character in the window to go up, down, left, and right. After completing the beginner's guide, we can press the enter button and back to the menu. And this is the easy level of the game. There is a ghost is more similar to the real Pac Man game, and also we can control the player to go up and down to avoid the ghost and to eat the food. Finally, we design the hard level in our game. It has a more complex map. Although there is only one ghost in the map, this is a great challenge of the dexterity of our fingers.